Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create a Clockify account from start to finish. Whether you want to track work hours, manage projects, monitor team productivity, or simply keep track of your personal time, creating a Clockify account only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Clockify website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started free button and click on it. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password for your new account. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Before you start working, consider adjusting your account settings, time zone preferences, notification options, and profile information to match your workflow. And that's how to create a Clockify account. By following these simple steps, you'll be ready to start tracking time, managing projects, and improving productivity with Clockify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.